Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I hope everyone's doing well. And I'm fixing to, as you can see from the title, as I'm stepping over things because there's too much in my way, I'm fixing to unbox something. But, okay, so unboxings are different now. I don't know if you've noticed that throughout. Well, I don't know. I haven't checked other YouTubers. I guess I should be. Here's how I unbox. Because of COVID-19, my sweet husband usually opens all boxes, anything that's in them, and then he places what's inside on the dining room table for me to further unbox. And that's not always a plus, because he's like, oh babe, I see you got something for Fashionphile. Hey, I bet what you needed was another purse. And he's right, I need another purse, like a hole in the head. Y'all think I have pursitis as I scratch my head. Y'all do think that I'm getting what's it called, I may have eczema, because I've got a dry spot right there. It just itches all the time. Those of you who know eczema, tell me what you know. Is that what that is? I need to go to a dermatologist, but because that's not like super essential right now, I canceled my appointment. I had one right at the beginning of when they started to tell us to stay at home. So anyway, I haven't had that appointment. I probably do need it, y'all. But anyway, it itches. I don't see any other place on my face that I feel like I need attention. Except my nose. But I don't know. Do you just accept your nose, y'all, if you don't like your nose? I guess it's up to the individual. Some people say, no, I'm getting my nose rebuilt. It is my daddy's nose, and a combination of his and my grandmother's. It's not my mom's. My mother had the most beautiful tiny nose. My sister got it. It's just not fair. Okay. So y'all know my gift that I got a while back, a couple of weeks ago. No, more than that, a little more than that. I got a gift from my bosses, and it was an Amazon card. It was very generous. And so I was able to go on Amazon, and I found a Tory Burch Ella tote, and this is it. And this part's black. It's hard to tell on lighting, but this part's black, and the actual logo piece and the straps are navy. But it's like a black navy, so it does very well with this black. But this is definitely black. And this is called the Tea Rose pattern, and obviously these are little roses. So I put in here, of course, everything in the moon. And I can take it right out like this because of my clover sack. Is this an advertisement for clover sack? It absolutely is. Did they ask me to do that? They absolutely did not. So, the only other thing that I have in there besides that is I do keep my little, well, this past time, I kept my, this is from 2 purse changes ago. Do y'all remember? This is the Coach Poppy Madras wallet change, which I really do like this, because if I just want to take something to go, it's so easy. It's got my cards in one pocket and you cash in the other, and you can just slide your phone in there. So easy. Wristlet. Doesn't go with a lot with the kind of metallic rosy gold silver color and these kind of sequins, Coach sequins, and then of course these colors, while they are kind of rainbowish, they've got, which you know you think goes with everything, but rainbow doesn't actually go with a lot at all. It only goes with, to me, the colors in that rainbow are black or white. So in here we really have kind of a navy blue, a cream, so this to me doesn't go with white because of the cream, kind of a dusty pink, kind of a muted spring green, and an evergreen, and that pink. Yeah, that's it. And you can see the colors better on the back, I guess. I don't know why I thought that. Oh, because the zipper, I thought there was more. But anyway, so, but I am going to keep that with this purse. So now this tote shall retire for a day or two, because I really do like it. I'm using it a lot. It's great to carry things up and down the stairs, just as if I was going into the office, because that is my office. It's upstairs, and you know, the living room's downstairs. But I'm going to switch it over to something that I had seen. It was marked way down, so I have no idea the condition of it. But it's a CELINE And it's called the Phantom, and I think it's the Phantom Medium in black, calf leather. Now, the first thing that when you get something from a reseller, when they send you the package, you generally do not get the box. You have to look to see if you're going to get the dust bag. This said it came with the dust bag. So, but generally speaking, it comes in, like this was in the box. This is what my husband pulled out and put. Actually, he didn't pull this one out. I don't think he did this one. Anyway, after he does, just for those of you who are concerned, he goes and washes his hands. Very, very good. And then sanitizes. So, actually, I think I pulled this one out because, oh, that's right. The box was soaking wet from the rain, so I had to get it out. All right. But then I washed my hands. But anyway, okay, so Fashionphile. I had a fantastic experience with them, I have to tell you. No, this is not sponsored. But what happened was I paid an extra $25 because I wanted to get it overnight. I just did. I thought, what's the extra 25 bucks? So I did. And it did not get here overnight. So I called them back and they said, we will refund you that $25. Very sorry for your problem. And I was like, they didn't fight me at all. And I thought, what good customer service, because for 25 bucks, they bought me. I'm a Fashionphile like fan because of their excellent customer service. If they'd given me a hard time, I would have thought, you know what? I paid extra to have it overnight, and you know what? They didn't care, and it just would have rubbed me the wrong way. And I've had an excellent experience. So they sent me, I said, you have been also so polite and so easy to work with. Also, my initial experience with Fashionphile, it was so easy to find what I was looking for. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, they happen to have it. But sometimes the sorting and the search engine on some sites are just, it's so hard to get the right description, exactly right to get it to pull. I put black Phantom leather and this came right up, and I had my selection. So anyway, this is used or lightly loved, and it comes in a Fashionphile bag. Now it did say comes with its dust bag, so let's see if they did what they said, because this is not their dust bag. This is not a CELINE dust bag. So the question will be, here it is. Did it come with its own dust bag? Now, I don't really care about the box anymore. I used to, but now I've got all these boxes everywhere, and what do you do with them? Unless you're going to resell. Boy, does that leather smell good. Okay, so this is something that you have to pay attention to. Remove the tag on the bag. In other words, check this out really good before you start removing stuff, because once you remove it, we will not allow a refund of this. So you own it. So otherwise, they as far as refund, like if you get it and you don't like it and you don't remove the tag and you refund it, they will give you a price of what the refund value will be. And usually it's not the exact what you paid. So you have to remember they are trying to sell reused items. So first of all, I would say this leather, wow, the feet still had the tape on it. So if this is a used bag, either they didn't know you should take that off, or they just didn't. But that's kind of cool that it's still got those. I won't bore you with taking those off, but they're just little black. Instead of gold, they're black, because this is all black on black on black. Is there any blemishes? There's a slight blemish right there. Not really noticeable. No skinting that I'm seeing. It's slightly misshaped right now, but you can push these in, the little wings in, and it's that shape. Or you can put them out, which is how most people wear this. Some people even wear the ties, the safety ties that kind of close this. They wear those out for whatever reason. They just wear them out like that. I think that looks kind of funny, but anyway. Anyway, it can be winged, and you can still leave those inside if you want. And I would. I wouldn't leave the thingies out. So let's just examine the bag. All four corners do not appear to be doctored or skipped. This is a very good smelling leather, by the way. And the inside suede. We'll look at that in just a minute. Okay, y'all, as far as the handles, I don't see extreme wear, and they said that they were slightly worn. I don't see any wear at all. This particular CELINE has got an imprint that is tone on tone, so you do not have any gold or silver to highlight it, which it doesn't need, because the CELINE pretty much, everybody knows this shape. Some people I think call it the robot, because it looks like this is eyes and a mouth. on that side. It's the zipper, I guess. This one's unique in that it has a plaited, they call it. It's braided leather tassel. This you could use. I mean, it's a usable, you could put your car keys in there. And nowadays, you know, your car key is really just, for a lot of cars, is just a electronic device that opens your car just because it's in your presence. So that is what I'm going to put in there. And we'll just leave it at that. All right, so inside, look inside. The CELINE, that's the CELINE dust bag. And they said it came with that, so another good experience point. I got exactly what they said I would receive. It is the medium size. I can't imagine the large, y'all, because it would be, this to me is just shy of being like the size of a Neverfull. I feel like it's slightly warped in the shape, but that may be the way I'm holding it, or the fact that nothing's in it, so we'll see. But I am going to keep it. I will just go ahead and tell you now. Now when you open it, they got nice bubble wrap, which I will keep, and I will put in that CELINE bag, and that is what I will put in here for shape. Also the CELINE authenticity card, and I can't remember where is the, I know that they check them, so I'm not worried about it, but I can't remember where. It's under a piece of leather, so I can't remember. It's got a zipper bag inside, and it's full suede. And I don't remember where is the number. I know it's not in the corners. It's not like a tag that sticks up. It's an imprint. I remember seeing that. I just don't remember what it was under. I know it's got to be under one of these. Got to be. Got to be.